welcome to my channel. So I'm super excited for this video. I'm gonna be getting my hair braided tomorrow. So I decided to start filming today because basically I want to show you guys how I'm gonna be prepping my hair for the braid. This is actually the first time that I'm ever gonna get my hair braided like professionally, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna be getting some box braids, you know, so I'm super excited. I cannot wait to see how I'm gonna look. So yeah, I'm gonna be washing my hair, and the shampoo and conditioner that I'm gonna be using is Shea Moisture Intense Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner, and it looks like this. If you've been watching some of my videos now, you already know that I love this shampoo. It's my go-to, and my hair is pretty dry right now. Pretty dry, so I thought what best shampoo to use than this, because you know I'm gonna have the braids on for a couple of weeks, so I need all the hydration I could get, you know. So the next thing that I'm thinking about using, I'm not too sure because I've never used it before, is actually this by Diva Curl Build Up Booster. It's a little sample. My hair is really dirty and it feels like it has a lot of buildup because I actually haven't washed it in a while. So I thought maybe, you know, use this, but I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna do a deep treatment, of course. I'm gonna use this treatment mask by Shea Moisture, Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. And then I'm gonna blow dry my hair to stretch out my curls. So yeah, I'm super excited for tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm all ready. I got all my furs, you know. And yeah, so let me go ahead and go and take a shower to wash my hair because it's pretty late, and yeah, so.
What's that for? Beeswax to make it stay in place for me, and this is to get shine. Gel. It sticks for me, so you have sticks with it.
It doesn't hurt like I thought it was going to. So you doing the third strand is like my hair. So when you get to the bottom, where is
I take this, I twist it
an
right
extra.
here.
Oh, you divide.
I add your hair, and then I take a little more from the other side.
Oh, and then you make a third one.
Again.
Girl, I've always wondered that. I'm like, how did it say that?
And then it hides your hair.
Audio Jungle.
This is the final result. This is how my hair looks completely braided. Look how pretty, you guys. Like, I'm absolutely in love right now. I'm obsessed. I love how it looks. That took some time, you guys. That took like a good 5 to 6 hours. It took some time, but I absolutely love the result. Let me show you guys how long I got them. After she finished braiding it, she added some mousse, and then she blow dried it dry, and then she put the tips on some boiling hot water to lock in the braid, the braid. You guys, that took a very long time, but it was actually so worth it because I absolutely love it. Like, I love how they look. Look. I'm gonna be linking down her Instagram, so if you guys are local, if you guys are from Louisiana and you're interested, you guys can go hit her up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Audio Jungle.